Welcome back to my channel. I have not posted in a hot minute, but I am back in LA and I'm back in the swing of things. So I'm starting off with this what I eat in a day video. I just got back from the gym at this point and I really crave a protein smoothie when I get home from the gym. This is just about 2 frozen bananas and a lot of strawberries, my favorite protein powder, which is Orgain, you guys know the drill. And I have this as soon as I get home from the gym. I don't even shower, I just have this as soon as I get home. It's important to really replenish yourself after the gym. So for my second breakfast after I've showered, I decided I wanted something creamy and fruity and crunchy, so I went with coconut, strawberries, and nuts. So I basically just sliced up my strawberries. This is such a quick breakfast, but it's also really nutritious. And my coconut cream, I sweetened it with a tiny bit of agave. And then I just layer everything in a nice bowl. And I just layer it until I know I have enough that's, it's gonna be pretty filling. This was really actually a big portion. I did finish it all, but it was incredibly delicious. This is like heaven in a bowl. It's so divine. It's just so good. If you guys are even looking to meal prep, this is a great breakfast you can meal prep. It's kind of like making oatmeal, but you can just do it on the spot. I topped it with some goji berries as well, and that's it. You can do any sort of fruit. You can do a vegan yogurt. I just wanted something really creamy this morning. For lunch, I decided to make a millet salad. I used to eat millet so much more than I do now, so I'm really trying to incorporate it back into my diet. Millet is extremely high in protein, fiber, antioxidants, phytonutrients, micronutrients. It is a really well-rounded grain, and it just acts as a really good base for a nourish bowl or a salad. In this case, I'm just gonna make like a really quick salad, and I'm making my vinaigrette, which is my basic lemon vinaigrette. You guys have seen this already. It's just olive oil, lemon, and salt, and a tiny bit of agave. And what I like to do for salads is start with the vinaigrette, because I'm gonna add to the vinaigrette the rest of my components for the salad. In this case, I'm doing onion. I love raw onion in my salad. If I don't have raw onion in a salad, it's not as satisfying to me. And I'm also adding hothouse cucumber and mint. I love adding fresh herbs to salads. It really makes it taste a lot better. I love mint. Mint is one of those herbs that I always add to salad. So I'm basically adding all of that to my vinaigrette just so that I can marinate and get some more flavor. And once the millet is done cooking, it's kind of like quinoa. You can just cook it like you would quinoa. Millet isn't as fluffy, but it is very nutty and satisfying. So I added some arugula to the bottom of my plate, and then I'm just gonna layer everything on top. I'm also adding some avocado to get some more fat, and some sunflower seeds for extra protein and crunch. This was an amazing salad and so satisfying. For dinner, I wasn't even actually too hungry because I had that big salad, and millet does keep you pretty full, but I really wanted to make something that would last for me throughout the week, so I decided to go for some protein mac and cheese. And I'm just adding all of my ingredients to my blender. Everything will be listed down below so that you guys can see exactly what I used. This is the simplest, easiest, quickest, most delicious cashew sauce that I make, and it is super filling and delicious. I just top it with my pasta, and that's it. Like I top the pasta with the sauce. I don't bother cooking the sauce because I really like the flavor that it has. I just want it to be creamy, and my pasta is hot at this point, so it's definitely a hot dish. You can cook it if you want to, but that's pretty much it. You guys, all these recipes are so quick and easy, and you definitely should try it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Please subscribe if you have not already, and share my channel with anyone who is looking for more plant-based recipes and just good ideas, and also give it a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.